Car accident mediation. Frequently asked questions. What is car accident mediation? Car accident mediation involves using an alternative to going to court to resolve disputes. For example, if you are involved in a car accident, you could use mediation to help you resolve the disputes you have with the at-fault driver or your insurance company. Both parties agree to meet with a mediator who will help them discuss all of their issues before helping them to agree on a settlement figure. Mediation is typically beneficial for all parties as disputes can be resolved quickly, at a lower cost and with complete confidentiality. How is mediation different to arbitration? When someone is involved in mediation, a third party helps them to work through all of their disputes with a view to coming to an agreement. If no agreement can be reached, then the case will be unresolved and could end up in court. In arbitration, a third party will hear each side's disputes and will then make a decision that is enforceable. This is the case even if both parties disagree on something. Who is the mediator? Insurance professionals or attorneys who have a lot of experience dealing with car accident disputes usually work as a mediator. Before both parties agree to undergo mediation, they agree who the mediator may be. How long will mediation take? Mediation can take as little as a few hours, but it can also take a few months. It all depends on how complex the case is, if the parties involved genuinely wish to resolve the dispute, and how many parties are involved. If the case is a relatively straightforward one, then mediation may take just 2 to 3 hours. However, if the case is particularly complex or no one is willing to negotiate, then mediation could last a few months. Mediation typically ends when an agreement has been reached, when one of the parties refuses to be involved in mediation any longer or both parties agree that mediation should not continue. Will I need to hire a lawyer to help me during mediation? If you can afford to hire a personal injury lawyer to help you during mediation, you should. A lawyer who has experience in car accidents can explain some of those complicated legal issues that arise during mediation. A lawyer will also be able to assess how strong your case is, and where your weaknesses lie. They can do this before mediation takes place, giving you an idea as to what you can expect from it. During mediation, your lawyer can act as an advocate and a coach, showing you where you should compromise and when you should stand your ground. If you don't already have a lawyer working on your behalf, try to find one who works in your state, specifically a lawyer who has a lot of experience in car accident cases and claims.